Okay, gerund topic. What is a gerund? Definition, characteristics as an example. English is one of the languages that can be said to be mandatory to learn because English is an international language that can be used as an means of communication in any country. However, to learn it certainly will not be that easy because there are several provisions that must be met so that English does not have the wrong meaning. There are various types of grammar that can be learned. One of which is gerund. This gerund is one of the structures in English that is commonly used in everyday communication. Some of you must have immediately frowned and thought. Definition of gerund. Gerund is a verb that functions as a noun. Gerund is actually almost the same as the present participle form, but the difference is that gerund is a different word while present participle is an adjective. The term gerund comes from the Latin term gerere, which meant to contain. This this term was first used for traditional grammar. However, contemporary linguists eventually added the suffix instead. In addition, gerund can stand alone when used as subject or are called gerund pairs. In addition, what distinguishes gerund from others is that they do not receive inflection from other words. Inflection means the formation of new words by adding affixes to words, but does not change the class of the word. So even though a word has the suffix in function remains as a noun. Structure and characters of gerunds. Gerunds are often difficult to distinguish from infinitives. In fact, the two are actually different, so there are several characteristics that can distinguish between gerund and infinitives, including this one always end with the prefixing. These two ing verbs that function as different words. These three, the gerunds can be replaced by any noun. These four, there are several verbs that follow the gerund, such as like, love, hate, enjoy, avoid, stop, and so on. Various uses of gerund. This gerund can be used for various purposes, including as a subject of a sentence. As mentioned earlier, gerunds can be used as both a subject of sentence and a gerund, as is known in general the subject. will contain a verb. However, this gerund is an expression because it can also be asserted as subject. For example, playing football is my favorite sport. The word playing above can be seen as the subject of the sentence is a verb. Drinking juice makes me feel healthy. The word drinking above can be seen as the subject and gerund of a sentence, while the words make means a supporting verb. As an object, in addition to being an object, gerunds can also be asserted as object in sentence. The position of the gerunds that is asserted as an object is general after the verb. A simple example: I like playing football every day. From the example above, like is a verb, while playing is both the object and gerund of the sentence. He goes swimming every day. In the example above, it can be seen that goes is verb and swimming is both the object and gerund of the sentence. As an object complement, in addition to being the object itself, gerund can also be asserted as an object complement or also called an object complement. This object complement means a word that complements linking verbs. The role of gerund here is complement a sentence. Here is an example of gerund as an object complement. My hobby is playing. From the there it can be seen the that playing is an object that completes the sentence. If there is no word playing, then the sentence will not have any meaning, even though the sentence already contains a subject, namely my hobby, and is a verb. However, without playing, the sentence will not be complete. My compliments was visiting Singapore. From the example above, it can be seen that my compliments is the subject, and was is the verb, but without visiting, the sentence will not be complete. Assert after preposition. Another as of gerund is assert as preposition or to connect nouns, pronouns, or paras with other words in a sentence. So gerund will connect people, time, to location in a sentence. The prepositions commonly assert are in, on, over, with, by, after, and after. Example: with training we can playing well. In the file from to the example above, it can be seen that with is a preposition while training is a gerund that connects sentence. Another example is he is interested in dancing. From the example sentence above, it can be seen that it in is a preposition and dancing is a gerund.